Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use labels to organize Trello boards. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to organize Trello boards with labels, you need to first create them in the boards menu or on a card. Then simply add labels to the card by clicking on them or using keyboard shortcuts. So first of all, you need to go and tap open your Trello board, and once you open your Trello account, you need to simply get logged in into it. After this, you need to add a label to your card. So you can do this using the card or using the keyboard shortcuts. So if you're using a card, you need to go and click on a card and then click labels button. Select an existing label or create a new one to add it. Now hover over a card and press L to open the label menu. You can also press the number assigned to a label color 0 to 9 to quickly add it. Now to add a title to a color, open the card, click labels, then click the pencil icon next to the color name. An example, you can also name it urgent or like simple kind of stuff. So you can use these labels to organize, like categorize by workflow or status, prioritize task, or tag by topic or category. So this way you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.